Hi, I'm Morgan.
Hey everyone, I'm David. All right, so Morgan, I have a burning question for you.
Okay.
You're stranded on a desert island, but you only have 3 beauty products. What are they?
Only 3?
Only 3.
I would pick sunscreen,
Good.
mascara, and my Sephora collection Triple Action Cleansing Water, which some of you are getting in your Play by Sephora box this month.
I love it. That's a good choice for a desert island.
Think
So
so?
what's one of the things about this product that you really love?
I love that it's a no-rinse product, and it just easily wipes away.
I personally love this Triple Action Cleansing Water. I have for a really long time. It is technically a micellar water. I know you know what this is. Micelles are little molecules that act as basically magnets. So they attach to the dirt, the debris, the makeup that's on your face. So basically it sweeps all that stuff away, leaving your skin feeling very refreshed.
Yeah, I also love that it's super nourishing and it's packed full of those wonderful ingredients that really soak into the skin and leave it plumped and hydrated.
Yeah. So it's a great product for that obvious cleansing, but there's actually other ways that you can hack this product so you get more use out of it in your daily life. Okay, so my first tip is actually something that you might not have thought of, but actually works really, really well. So I'm gonna borrow this from you.
Absolutely.
Use it to clean your makeup brushes.
Ooh.
Yes. So those same micelles that are in here that are attracted to the dirt and debris on your face will also do that to your makeup brushes without damaging the brush. The same way that it's nourishing on your skin, it's nourishing to your brush. So even if it's a natural hair bristle, it's gonna work really well. I mean, look how quickly I was able to remove a highly pigmented eyeshadow to a perfectly cleansed brush within seconds. And now you can use this to go in, do your next shade, you know, especially if you're on the go and you only happen to have one brush with you. It's a great little hack.
And you don't have to rinse after.
No,
Just
not
like
at all.
for your face.
And actually it leaves the brush still nicely hydrated and conditioned.
Oh.
So it's really good. Okay, so the next tip is something that I think I use most, which is to help you erase any mistakes that you may make while you're applying your makeup. It's actually a great way to fix those moments where you're like, I don't want to, take all my makeup off. I just want to cleanly fix it. So oftentimes, for me, if I'm applying a lip, especially if you're using a liquid lipstick, like you'll be applying and maybe I'm applying it on a model or somebody and they'll move and it's like, oh my God, what's gonna happen? Oopsie, oopsie, I made a mistake. I did that. It's my fault. I'm accepting responsibility here. But I'm not nervous about it because let me tell you why. I have my Sephora collection Triple Action Cleansing Water. So no joke, a little Q-tip. Seriously, this is why I don't freak out on set if something like this happens. And trust me, it happens all the time. Because just a little Q-tip and this allows me to control. I mean, look how quick it's picking it up. And what's great is you don't have to worry about rehydrating the skin underneath because it's got all these hydrating ingredients in it. So the skin is still nurtured and soft underneath. It's not gonna feel irritable or uncomfortable. So you can actually fix this. And if you need to go right over it with a little complexion, you can do that without worry. All right, there it is. I mean, it actually cleans up the lip line really nicely. You can take a look at that and say, looks like there was nothing.
Yeah, it looks
I
like
know
nothing
you felt it.
Yeah, I felt it all the way down
You
here.
felt how far I went with that. So how about you? Do you have any tips to use for this cleansing water?
Yes, so I like to fake tan sometimes because I'm very fair.
Me too.
But because I'm so fair, I always see the lines in my hands, like those orange lines or in my
Yes.
cuticles, those hard to reach places that you just have to fix. So I like to take this, put a little bit on a tissue or a Q-tip and just go in and it's like a magic eraser.
Oh, that's really cool too. And I mean, in all honesty, even on a desert island, orange hands are a no-go. They're a no-go. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this and you won't find yourself on a deserted island, but you will find yourself able to use this great Triple Action Cleansing Water and see how easy it is and how helpful it is. Until next time, guys, we will see you soon. Take care. Bye.